Hello friends, my name is Amit Kumar. Today we are with lecture number 37. The topic to be covered is rural entrepreneurship, family business entrepreneurship, project management. Areas to be focused during the presentation are as follows: rural entrepreneurship, industries under KVIC, advantages of rural industrialization, challenges in regard of developing rural industries, ways to improve entrepreneurial activities in rural areas, family business entrepreneurship project management, the things to be kept in mind while managing family business, reasons for the failures of family business entrepreneurial projects. Coming to the first topic, rural entrepreneurship. It means entrepreneurial activities which are taking place or emerging at villages. It may get related to establishing agricultural product based enterprises. Further, it may get referred as agro industries, khadi or cottage industries, etc. In India, KVIC or Khadi and Village Industries Commission is the main body which takes care of rural industries. The purpose of it to do value addition to the rural resources, including the human resources of rural areas. Industries under KVIC have been regarded as regrouped recently as mineral based industries, forest based industries, agro and food based industries, polymer and chemical based industries, engineering and non conventional energy based industries, textile industries, service industries. So, these all are the regrouping which has been done recently by KVIC. Before coming to advantages of rural industrialization, I would also like to make you aware that, as per the modified definition of village industries, any geographical area having population less than 20,000 or equal with the industries of having investment up to 3 crores will get qualify for village industry, which allows expansion of the scope for it. The advantages of rural industrialization, given the birth of modern small scale enterprises to be emerged as rural industries while serving the needs of rural areas. These industries are also participating in developing the economy of the country with greater pace. The advantages make it summarized as helping in skill development and preserving the traditional art and products. It is helping in low cost production. It is helping in uplifting the standard of living related to rural areas. It is also helping in low cost industrialization. It allows better sustainability of industries and better retention rate of laborers. So these all are advantages of rural industrialization. Apart from these all, it also helps in keeping our village areas away from the issues of urbanization. It is also helping in job creation as well as opportunities creation. It is helping in enhancing the growth of rural economy as well. So these all are the benefits or advantages of rural industrialization. Now coming to the challenges part. Challenges in regard of developing rural industries can be summarized as developing captive market for rural industries products, keeping micro enterprises and micro rural industries in competition with multinational industries, problems related to resource allocation, to make suitable policies for emerging industries, supporting sick industries to stay in market, poor infrastructural support of rural areas, financial support for rural areas and related industries are also less. In there is issue in regard of implementing entrepreneurship development program in rural areas. So these all are the kind of hurdles or challenges while supporting entrepreneurial activities in rural areas. Apart from these challenges, now we need to discuss the ways how these things will get improved. So, ways to improve entrepreneurial activities in rural areas may get summarized as suggested in many of the literatures as well as the inside the web resources, as there should be modernization in regard of the machinery which are there for rural industrialization. There should be arrangement of skill development program. There should be proper control in regard of resource allocation and developing market support for finished goods. Identification of sick enterprises should be done and those enterprises should get supported in required manner. Then there should be organizing of training and development programs. Then there should be some kind of arrangement in regard of motivational support for the people staying in rural areas. Then proper infrastructure should get developed to support the rural industries. Then organizing of awareness programs should get done so that the people staying in rural areas will be made aware in regard of the governmental support which are available for them. So by doing all these activities, we can support the industrialization in rural areas. Mostly in rural areas, the business get carried forward belongs to individual's family, or it is basically, it may get basically regarded as family business. So if we will talk about the family business entrepreneurship project management, then we should understand what it is. Family business entrepreneurship project management is basically related to survival of family business while evolving entrepreneurial efforts, which is nothing but aligning the essence of research and innovation to find its stand and growth of family business. The things to be kept in mind while managing family business may get listed as follows, like keeping core values alive and relevant while carrying the business. Since generation by generation, more family members involve will get involved in the business. So there should be some respect to the extended family. The person who is responsible or the group of persons who are responsible for carrying the family business should be flexible enough while targeting future goals. They should also respect customers because the business is ultimately going to be done while being in touch with the customers only. Then focus should be on mutual beneficial acts. I mean to say, the business houses or the family businessman should respect the opportunities which are beneficial for both customers as well as for himself or themselves. Then there should be respect for the community as well, because social culture prevail in our villages, so this must be there while carrying the family business. But even though family business get fail, business get fails because of many reasons. Mainly the reasons I have discussed for the success of the family business. If those things will not uh, kept in mind while carrying the business, then definitely the business will result into failure. So family business enterprises projects mostly fail due to one or another reasons. As per one of the studies of Harvard Business School in 2012, family businesses fails for 70%. This happens mostly due to the reasons discussed just before on the earlier slide. Since family business enterprises mostly controlled or majorly controlled by family members, hence all should get respected while handling family business enterprise projects as well. So these are the inputs in regard of the topic mentioned earlier on the very first slide. So in case of doubt, we will discuss the doubts during the online session. Thank you very much. Thank you for the day. Bye bye.